How to fix Viber activation fail problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's begin. So you need to first of all note, why does Viber activation fail? So there could be a few reasons why you are facing this issue, such as network connectivity problems, issues with Viber server, incorrect phone number entry, or SMS not being received. So to fix this, you need to first restart Viber and your phone. If you have opened Viber application, you simply need to close the Viber app completely. If possible, restart your phone and try again. Simply hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart and check whether your issue resolved or not. If restarting doesn't work, try clearing the app cache data. So for that, long press the Viber app icon and tap on App Info or the eye icon. Now go to Storage Users and clear the cache and clear the data. Tap Delete. This will delete all your app's data. If you don't want, you can leave as it is. Now reopen Viber and try again. If the issue persists, you can uninstall and reinstall Viber from the Play Store or App Store and then check SMS and call verifications. And by following all this step, your Viber activation issues will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.